Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if a video won't play or you are seeing a playback error, it's usually caused by connection issues, app glitches, or device settings. The good news, most problems can be fixed in minutes. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix playback errors on Prime Video in 2026 fast and effective. But you have to know that most playback issues are temporary, usually caused by internet or app problems, or fixable without technical skills. So start with simple fixes first, okay? Like for example, check your internet connection, okay? So test your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart your router, okay? Because stable internet means smooth playback. You can also refresh the app or page, like if you are using mobile, close and reopen the app. If you are using the web, refresh the page. It fixes temporary glitches. You can also restart your device, like turn off your phone, TV, or computer, turn it back on. It clears system issues. Updates the app, like go to App Store or Play Store. Updates Prime Video because, it fixes bugs and compatibility issues, okay? You can also clear cache, like if you are using mobile or TV, like for example, Android. Go to Settings, tap Apps, look for Prime Video, and tap Clear Cache, okay? So it removes corrupted data. You can also check video quality settings, like lower streaming quality. It helps if connection is weak, so you have to lower the streaming quality in order to watch without any problem. You can also disable VPN if using one, like turn off VPN or proxy. Some content won't play with VPN. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.